Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to today's Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. Welcome to Diamond Show. And that's the bottom line because Ramu said so. Hi, it's Diamond Show. It's my show. Good morning, my unbelievable, magical Viva family members. I am coming live from Kochi, Kerala. Day before yesterday, we had a memorable 20 city tour event. So I came for the 20 city tour event. And next 3 days also, we have programs here in Kerala. So I'm staying here. First of all, welcome to Diamond Show. It's a new initiative by me to share my views and my experiences only. It doesn't have to do with anything by anyone. So it's just my experiences and my view. So just first of all, I want to recap the week. So last Friday, I was doing the live from the airport, mentioning like I was going for a red carpet. It was most memorable moment. If I have to take top 3 moments in my life, then definitely the red carpet is one of the most memorable around the top three. It's a great privilege. My dear partners, I just want to tell you, don't miss the opportunity of red carpet. It's unbelievable experience. You are going to feel that you are on the top of the world. So in that way, our company treat us for this red carpet welcome. And after that, from Saturday, we have launched one mission 90 days because we want to just get a takeoff. A lot of our distributors want to get a takeoff, so we planned a mission 90 days and it's going amazingly. It kick-started on Sunday with around 450 to 500 distributors in Hyderabad. Getting better and it's getting better with every day. So the mission 90 days, it's going well. And later then on October 2nd, we have a special event, 20 city tour. It's one of the best 20 city tours I have attended, very well coordinated by entire diamond and above leaders from Kerala. Amazing event, amazing experience. So many new achievers, so many new stories, and so many new friendships I created. And it's amazing experience. Now, yesterday, just we meet our distributors here in Cochin. We were discussing about Mission 90 days. So wherever I am going, whomever I am meeting, I am just telling, focus this 90 days. So everything is going to change. So just I want to Mission 90 days. Already a lot of our top leaders in industry, they have done a 90 days game plan. And all the top leaders in our industry, even in network marketing, they did their own 90 days. But when I started thinking about 90 days, I always, the first thing came to me is every time we do a 90 days, but this time we need a a challenging mission. So then the idea of creating 100 rubies in 90 days, 100 Ruby executive in 90 days, that idea came. And then I started building with that, and I started discussing with my top leaders so about this 90 days and creating 100 Ruby executives in 90 days. Because alone I can't do anything alone. Lot of people can't do lot of things, but together we can do many things. So the idea how I can make it, this the first thing came to my mind, which can make this practically possible, is we are having more than 100 Ruby executives already in our organization. And if every Ruby executive can create one more Ruby executive in this 90 days, the practically 100 Ruby executives is very, very simple and very, very possible, very, very practical. And to check that, I have checked with all my top leaders that how many star thousands are there, and already the count also is more than 100. So existing star thousand, if we can support them to become a Ruby executive, it's possible. So the practical side is clear. Then the mental side is very, 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 very important. Because why we have to do this 90 days and the compressive work of 90 days? Because it's not possible to work 365 days continuously, full effort, 100 percentage. It's not possible for anyone. So what we decided is we will take 190 days in a year, and we will make that 90 days we give 100 percentage. So that is how we plan this 90 days. And why it is in October, November and December, why not it is in January, February, March, or some other time? Because October, November and December is the 3 months, the most positive 3 months of the year, because people will have lot of hopes on the next year. For example, now everybody have lot of hopes on 2020. The whole world is waiting for 2020. So the best time is October, November and December. If these 3 months can be planned perfectly, and if these 3 months, then we can put a foundation, then the 2020 is going to be the rocking year. So we planned October, November, December. And the most the time we can't do is January, February, March, because people will be losing their hopes, because nothing is going to change. Because every year we plan so many things in January, and every year we forget all those things we planned in March, because January, February, March is not that kind of to do the 90 days. But this is the right time, and our company also promoting Ruby fly in this period. So it will also be helpful to push and to focus, to make people focus on one particular thing, that is Ruby fly-in. So that is why we created a 90 days game plan in October, November and December. So 90 days already started already. This is the 7th day of the 90 days, and the 7 days are the most productive days of our organization. Everybody is working for this mission, not an individual mission, but everybody is working for this common mission of creating 100 Ruby executives. And I am very, 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 very proud to say that we already have, I think already we have one first Ruby executive of our 100 Ruby executives. I think that is what the information I got. I have to collect the information from the entire organization. The first Ruby is coming today, and 99 more Rubies left. It's amazing to work for a common cause, because one of our mentors in Vibrant Viva recently said that you find happiness, you find satisfaction, you find gratefulness, everything you find when you help other people to achieve their goals. And so that is the reason we put 100 Ruby executives. It's not like becoming a blue diamond or becoming a black diamond. It's about helping others. So we just focused. So by creating 100 Ruby executives, we can help at least 100 families to improve their financial status. So that is the reason we keep this mission 90 days as the 90 days 100 Ruby executives. It's going amazingly well. So many people have transformed in just within a day. They have transformed they physically they transformed, they mentally they've transformed, and everybody is just focused on this 90 days. And I am now very very confident because after the impact it has created on the first day, first week, I am very confident that we are going to finish more than 100 Ruby executives. That is what we are planning, and we are working as an organization. So I just want to tell each and everybody who are watching this, just you work for a mission, your leader's mission, whatever your leader's mission is, you just work for your leader's mission, be a part of that mission, and give your 100 percentage in this 90 days. This 90 days can change everything. See, I believe that if one person saying yes, and that can change your business. I don't know how you are doing right now. So many people are performing well, and many people are underperforming, not up to your potential. There may be different reasons, different excuses, different things going around. I don't know exact reasons, but one thing I can tell: this 90 days, no excuses, no reasons. You just be with your upline leader. Whatever he is telling you, just do it. Just do it for this 90 days, only 90 days. I won't tell you to do the lifelong or 1 year. No, you just focus to be in this 90 days, because it will give you a foundation for you and for your business. Then from that foundation we can build an empire. All the top Black Diamond ambassadors, they did this 90 days in their initial stages and the later part. So many successful people, they do this 90 days every year. And so you just focus this 90 days, keep your focus alive. You just be with your upline leaders. Whatever they are saying, don't say no to them. You say for everything you say yes. You find the ways to do the things. You don't find the reasons to not to do the things, but you just find reasons to do the things. And you be with them, you hold their hands tightly. They will take you to a different destination which you will enjoy, and you will celebrate this new year with a great achievements. So you just be with them and work for 90 days, and this 90 days can change many things. There are a lot of things which couldn't be done over years, but so many things happened in 90 days. It's from my personal experience also. 90 days has changed this. Finished that, but still, my dear partners, my suggestion, this 90 days, be more productive. Make this 90 days as a productive, because the entire world is hoping for 2020. A lot of people outside in the market, they are waiting for this 2020. Everybody have hope on 2020. You just take this opportunity, you show this opportunity, how this can change their life. By showing that and you being productive for this 90 days, you can change your life. So everything can be changed even in a moment, just like a click, as our great Sujit sir says, within a click you can change many things. In that way you can change, your business can change, and your team momentum can change. If a click can do so many things, just imagine how many things the 90 days can do. So many people, they are going to transform their lives in this 90 days. I want you also to join with your upline leaders, whoever guiding you, who are monitoring you. With you just hold them for 90 days, whatever their plans, whatever they are saying, whatever programs they're asking to you to attend, whatever the work they are planning for you, you just hold their hands, your upline leader hands, and you continue this 90 days journey and make this 90 days most memorable in your life, and take this 90 days to transform your life and your teammates life, so that we can find a new purpose and a new dream, new goal. So I always believe that my dear friends, 90 days can change everything. This is the 90 days you are waiting for. Take a decision, make an impact in your business, in your life. Finally, I want to conclude with one thing. I am going to give everything in this 90 days. So I am going to uh, uh, light up so many lives in this 90 days with the help of my core team, all the Emerald and above leaders. So we are going to do many things in these 90 days, and you just be with your upline leaders. So finally, I believe in one thing. If I can do what I did last 4.5 years, and if I can become an executive diamond, definitely you also have all the things inside you. Just you have to realize that you have the potential to become an executive diamond, and from that day it will take only 1 or 2 years. From the day you just realize that you have the potential to become an executive diamond, from that day it is just not more than 2 years, you will become an executive diamond. If I can become an executive diamond, you also can become an executive diamond. So that is my belief, and you can also change so many people's life. Then I will be waiting to hear your story as an executive diamond. I'm waiting for that day. So it's Diamond Show, and again I will be coming in the next Friday 11 o'clock. And thank you for supporting this show. It's episode 5, and I want to keep doing these shows. I need your encouragement to do these shows. And I am planning a surprise for next week, and I will let you know very soon that surprise. And come back again for the next week for this Diamond Show. Keep encouraging, keep inspiring people, and keep posting your comments and about this show, and what you want to share my experience about whatever things you want to share my experience. You can comment them below. I will be looking forward for your comments, and I will be looking forward for you to come back for the next Diamond Show episode 6, because a surprise is waiting. So all the best. The world is waiting. It's time to impact. Bye bye. And that's the bottom line, because Ramu said so.